Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Allison and today I'm sharing with you a simple single 6x8" layout. This layout is going in my mini album and I sat down and played with the Currently Story Kit by Ellie Edwards. I pulled out this green striped 4x6" journaling card to add my title and my journaling to. I did my journaling before I recorded the video. I typed it out on the computer and then printed it with my home printer. I'm going to use a die cut that came with the kit to create the title for my layout. That's coming in just a moment. I also used this striped 3x4" card that also came in the kit. I'm going to add a chipboard shape to that. I'm actually going to be doing that right now. I'm just trying to figure out which orientation, which way I want to put the journaling card, with the green and blue down at the bottom or the yellow and the orange. Either way it would have looked great. I decided to keep the green and the blue at the bottom, but it easily could have gone the other way around. Once that's adhered, I'm going to attach that half circle that says current observations, which I thought was perfect for the story that I'm sharing today. The story that I am sharing today, there we go, is about the Canadian geese coming back up north and coming home essentially for the summer. I heard the first goose honks at the beginning of this month in April. I was just putzing around home, not really doing very much, and I heard them flying over the house honking. And typically here in my neck of the woods, when we hear the geese, that's a sure sign that spring has arrived. So that's what the story is about. There is that half circle chipboard shape that I mentioned just a moment ago. And here is the currently die cut that came with the kit as well. I'm going to use liquid glue to attach that to the white strip at the top of the 4x6" journal card. It's the perfect spot to put that in there. And once I have it glued, I'm actually going to take one of the phrase stickers and attach it beneath currently. So the entire title is going to be currently around here. And then I'm going to launch into my story about the Canadian geese coming back home for the summer. To complete this layout, I do actually add an asterisk. It's another chipboard shape that came with the kit. And that's going to be kind of layered over top of the title next to the little phrase sticker. And that's it for me today, friends. This layout came together so quickly. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I didn't mention the photos. I did print my photos here at home. They're 2x3" and they are two different pictures, as you can see. The one picture I actually Googled and printed from Google because I don't have any pictures of geese, and if I do, I don't think they're very good ones. So that one was much better. The one at the top of the page, the top right, that's a picture that I took myself. I discovered one day when I was walking to school that they are like nesting and resting in some of the undeveloped areas around town, specifically near my daughter's school. So I snapped a picture of where they are chilling out. And yeah, so once I have this adhered to the layout, I'm just using my tweezers to help me attach that phrase sticker. I am going to add a chipboard asterisk. It is green, so it fits with the green of the color combo, really. I was thinking about adding this phrase sticker, it's not a sticker, but a phrase cut apart from one of the other Ellie Edwards kits, but I decided against it. So pulled out this asterisk. I'm going to attach that with liquid glue. And then I'm going to pull out some Hickory Smoke Distress Oxide ink by Tim Holtz, and I'm going to use that to stamp the date just below the half circle chipboard. I'm just using my roller date stamp. I've had this stamp in my stash for a long, long time. So I'm just looking up the date, and then they have these really cute little phrases that are on it as well. So I'm just choosing a phrase that I think will work with the story, and then I will stamp that. And this layout's complete. Like seriously, you guys, it came together so quickly. I love it when they come together so quickly. I love it when the planning process goes smoothly as well, and as you're sitting creating it, you're like, yes, this is totally gonna be good. And it executes just the way that you envisioned it in your head. I do have close-ups coming up, so feel free to stick around for those. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and a like. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. If you're returning, I am so glad that you have chosen to hang out with me today as well. I hope you have a fantastic Easter if you celebrate Easter. If not, I hope you're having a great weekend. See you guys again soon.